In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal business account to a personal account. Whether you're looking to simplify your PayPal usage or adjust to different financial needs, changing your account type is a straightforward process. Let's delve into each step to ensure a smooth transition. First, you'll need to navigate to your PayPal business account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to PayPal's official site. Log in using your PayPal credentials to access your account. Ensuring that you're logged into the correct account is crucial, as you don't want to inadvertently change settings on an account you didn't intend to. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on Help. This option is usually located in the top menu, and clicking it will open up a range of customer support options, providing a central hub where you can resolve issues, find account settings, and delve into PayPal's vast support resources. Next, you'll see an option to search questions, keywords, or topics. Click on this search bar, which is designed to assist you in finding articles or guides related to your inquiry. With such a vast knowledge base, entering the right keywords can save you time and effort. Now, in the search bar, type in how to downgrade into personal account. By specifying this query, you're directly pointing PayPal's help system to provide you with the most relevant articles, removing much of the guesswork and hunting that can sometimes occur in such situations. After executing the search, one of the results should be, how do I upgrade or downgrade my PayPal account? Click on this link to open an article that lays out the necessary steps and considerations when switching between account types. PayPal often provides detailed instructions in these support articles, offering guidance tailored to both those upgrading and downgrading their accounts. And finally, you'll want to follow the instructions provided within the article carefully. Once on the page, you should find detailed guidelines on how to proceed with downgrading your account to a personal one. Whether you're prompted to contact customer service or follow specific steps right there, ensure you complete each part of the process fully, as incomplete submissions could delay the change. This journey through PayPal's help resources equips you to shift your business account to a personal one smoothly. Remember to take your time with each step, as ensuring accuracy can prevent complications later down the line. With this guide, you're well on your way to tailoring your PayPal account to better suit your personal or business needs.